I saw your silhouette in fog. Footsteps echoed down the street. Raindrops tap on windowsill. Heartbeats sink in chilly beat. Lonely nights and silent dreams. Street lights flicker dark embrace. Words unsaid in flowing streams. Hope is written on your face. Rain-soaked heart can't find the sun. Memories just weigh a ton. Dancing shadows in the night. Love and pain, silver light. Empty benches wet with tears. City hums a lonely tune. Secrets no one hears. Chasing echoes of the moon. Stormy skies and broken ties. Love's a riddle hard to crack. In the puddles true flood hears. Shine the path we wander back. Rain-soaked heart can't find the sun.